Today I have some more jewelry from the brand Otter Spirit, and you guys know I love this company. They give back to preserving otters and helping take care of them, and they have beautiful gemstone bracelets. So I can't wait to share with you the three new ones that I received and the reason that I picked these specific ones. But first I want to thank the Otter Spirit for sending me these bracelets to share with you guys, and also I have a discount code that's going to be in the description box for you guys. I will have their website in the description box as well. So let's get started. So for every bracelet that you buy, they do give back and donate to help preserving and helping the otters. They also offer a 2-year warranty on anything that you purchase from their website. And they have a 30-day return policy. So you have nothing to lose by just trying these out. And they are so cute. Their gemstones are AAA grade gemstones, really great quality. It comes in this packaging, and I have 3 different bracelets, and they came separately packaged, which I love. And it's in this navy background with Otter Spirit in silver, and then it has a magnetic close, and then on the top of this it says each gemstone tells a unique story, and now it's time to write yours. I think that's so cute, which makes this also great for presenting it to other people. So if there is a specific feeling or intuition that you want to share with somebody, then this is a great way, because all of these gemstones have meaning and purpose behind them. And if you want to just share that with somebody, it's a great gift giving option, and it comes beautifully packaged, so it's a good way to present it to them as well. So it also comes with almost like a velvet style pouch, which is great to store in a jewelry box or also to travel with. And it has that cute little otter on the front of it, really nice. And then I don't remember which one I picked up first. Okay, so I picked the amethyst up first. So let's go ahead and talk about the amethyst. Look at the gorgeous purple color. And then if you can see, each bracelet has a silver charm that has an otter on it, which is so cute. I love that little feature of it. Let me see if you can see that. See the otter on there? It's so cute, and it's in a silver tone. These come in a mini size and then a regular size. So I did pick up the mini size. I just like those a lot better. I do have a stack that is in the regular size, but I love these. Now they come in 3 different sizes as well: small, medium, and large. And I normally will wear about a 7.5-inch bracelet, and I decide to pick up the large. So I always want to have room, even though they do stretch. I always want to make sure that I have a lot of room, so I always pick up the large size. And there is a sizing chart online, so you can kind of better gauge what size you would need if you decide you like any of these and want to pick them up. So the beads themselves come in a mini size, which is what I have, or a regular size, which they're a little bit bigger. And then they also come in small, medium, and large to fit your wrists. So this is the amethyst, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on and tell you a little bit about it. Look how beautiful the purple is. But amethyst is the intuition stone, and the meaning for this is I am letting go of fear and embracing peace. So this gives you kind of peace of mind. It promotes relaxation and stress relief. So anybody who knows me knows I am a worrier. I worry about everything, especially when it comes to my kids. I worry about their safety and everything, and I just worry so much about everything. I stay stressed out. I stress out about almost everything as well. So the reason that I chose the amethyst was because this is supposed to promote relaxation and give you a little bit of stress relief. And since I'm such a worrier and stay stressed out so much, that's the reason that I chose the amethyst. So if you know somebody that is like that, or if you yourself is like that, then this amethyst bracelet, you can wear this if you're in the mood to try to relieve some stress, then you can definitely try this one on. Or if you're someone that just likes them for the color, this purple is an absolutely beautiful color. So I thought it would be a little bit fun today to just share with you the reason that I picked the ones that I picked, because I think in the previous videos, I've just kind of told you about what the meaning of the gemstones are, but never really told you why I picked them. So I thought it would be fun to do that. And today, the reason that I picked the amethyst is because really I am a stressed person. So hopefully this will relax me by having this on. So the next one, let's see, that I picked up is the sandstone. So you can see the sandstone has like a peachy pink and a little bit of white that goes throughout. It's really a beautiful stone. So this is the sunstone, and it exudes confidence. So look how pretty those 2 colors together are, stacked together. So the meaning is I take inspired actions every day to achieve my dreams. So this one is a positivity stone. It encourages to have a positive mindset. So it's very easy to become negative toward things, especially when you worry about things and you stress so much about things. So it is easier to have a negative attitude sometimes than to have a positive attitude. So I want to achieve and strive at positivity on a day-to-day basis. So that's why I picked up the sunstone, because I want to have that confidence every day. No matter what I'm doing in the day, I want to have confidence that I'll be doing it right and that my decisions for that day are going to be the right decisions. Because of this being the confidence stone and because it's just supposed to exude that positivity, that is the reason that I chose this one. But then when you put these two together, the amethyst and the sunstone, they just look so pretty together. Anybody can gain by wearing these and having a positive attitude on a daily basis. So the last one is going to be the rainbow tourmaline. And it's kind of like a multi-color one. Very pretty as well. Let me show it to where the otter's showing. So you can see you have some pinks and greens, some dark browns. Looks like maybe even some purples in here. So it's called rainbow tourmaline. So I'm sure you're gonna have all different colors of the rainbow. So this is the balance bracelet, and the meaning is happiness and positivity easily flow into my life. So this is the comfort stone. So this is supposed to promote healing and protection. So if you are going through something right now, some kind of illness, and you just want to be a little bit healthier, if you want to have a little bit of protection, so you're trying to protect yourself from anything that might be going on, this is a great one for this. So this is also great if you know anybody that's sick. You could give this to them and help them with their healing. But the reason that I chose it is just because I want to have a little balance, because this is the balance stone. So I felt like there needs to be a little bit of balance in my day-to-day activities. So I have to prioritize things. I love the three colors of these together. I think they stack very beautifully together. This rainbow will just go with any of the different stacks, but I love the pink, the purple, and then the rainbow color. I think they look so good together. And then just look how that bracelet stack looks. So I thought it was really fun to kind of share with you today why I picked the ones that I picked, other than the fact that they do look so pretty together. I love the meaning behind all of the different gemstones, and I love the little otter charms that are on there. They're so cute, and they just give a little bit of extra to these bracelets. And then I also love a company that always gives back to a cause that they feel so strongly about. Definitely check out their websites and use that discount code that I have, because I think that these are really good. And I've had some of these for over a year, and they're so nice, but they do have a 2-year warranty. So they believe in the quality of their gemstones, that they stand behind those for 2 years. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.